Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a checkout page to a specific page on your Wix website. This helps us guide customers directly to the checkout process for a smoother and faster purchasing experience. Now, let's get started on your Wix dashboard. We go to the upper left corner of the page. We just need to click this, and then we'll click this to go to all websites. Now we choose which website to work on. Since we are using this one, we can click this to edit the site. Since it is already open, let's choose this one. The next step is to add a page. Let's click in the upper right corner again to go to My Store and then go to Manage. See this option? We go to Store Pages. We can manage the page here. Just click this. For example, if we have a new page here and we want it to be our checkout page, just click this and edit the page. Now, once we are in the Manage Pages section, just click this new page and edit the page. On the right part, you can see its slug URL. It's blank. Let's set this as checkout page and enter this as the checkout URL. Now we will put this under More Options and edit the page hierarchy. For example, this is your slug URL. Once you are redirected, these are the settings for setting pages function. Let's set this new page as an example. Now, scroll down and select this checkout page. Once we select this, please note it is only for premium users. After selecting this, click Publish. Then we can edit our checkout page by going back to the dashboard. Go to the lower left part of your page and click Settings. Then go to Business Solutions. Underneath, you'll find Checkout. Here we can edit our checkout page. We can add email and first name here. We can add company name here. Just edit the checkout page according to your preferences and preview. Once we preview, we can see a secure page. Here is how to configure your checkout page. That's how we add a checkout page to a page in Wix. With this setup, we can streamline the buying process and improve conversions for our websites.